Welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Yo!
Gang, 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 gang.
I want with them!
I'm so extra. Yo, you don't know it's a girl, Melika. I don't remember my name. You don't know it's a girl, MelicaSkylife in the building. Yo!
I wanted them. Yo, we're here. I just got to Montego Bay. Well, not just got to Montego Bay. I'm trying to get something to eat. So, I just linked up Melika on Snapchat a while ago. Guys, let me tell you something. May I watch Melika before me even start vlog? Melika start go gym, see? Her body real. Let me tell you. No, seriously. Well, like when you watch her videos, like you say, okay, yeah, like she lost weight and you know, blah 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 blah. But me see it, body real. Me see bottom as I said so. I said, oh, God.
Get your belly gone, guys.
You hear that?
Head over to my channel too, MelicaSkylife TV.
Alright, I'll definitely remember to drop that in the description, and if I don't, she will always comment and drop her description there. But yes, we're just here in Montego Bay, guys. Just trying to link up with YouTube. But some people always say, yo, why don't I link up with other YouTubers? I do, but it's who I have access to. You feel me? So we're here. Yeah, we're at Coral Cliff right now to eat some food and ease ourselves. We can do whatever, I don't care. Yo, let me tell you this, like we're there so, and I feel like we're the Dave and Busters. 100%. Huh?
What are they?
In Manhattan and other place. It's like there's a gaming lounge thing. So you guys remember when I went to Coco Mania or Coco Jams, whatever it's called? This is way better than that, like 100%. I feel kind of weird of vlog right now, okay? I don't know. People are not used to Yes, I'm gonna give you guys like a quick look at how it looks here. Yo, it's pretty lit. Yeah, so like here, I'm not gonna lie, here looks very lit, looks really fun. A bit weird for me because there's a lot of people here, but it looks really good. And yeah, much of the other building is of the neighbor. You see me? Peace, peace. I don't know, so we are gonna try and get some food. Come on, give me even consume. I'll link you guys back.
I'm so tired.
We're showing our Melika body, guys. Your body real, what's it? What's it? Alright, so we're pretty much just left Coral Cliff because I didn't like the dining room setup. I think it was okay, but there's too many people there. I don't feel comfortable with like, I can't even explain it. I don't even want to explain it either. So we're trying to find somewhere else to actually get something to eat. Melika is up into some secluded place. I think this is where we're gonna eat. I don't know. And that's where we're going? Alright, cool. Yeah, we're gonna get something to eat somewhere else. And Judah just messaged me. She's going to I Love Soca. I asked her if she wanted to come here, but I think she has a group project tomorrow or something like that. So that's why she's not in the video today. But anyway, I'm about to try to find something to eat, and I hope up here is good. Alright guys, so I had to meet up back with Matty because he got stuck talking to some girls. Yeah, but yo, the coolest thing, I just saw this worker because I was on YouTube and I saw this company called Deaf Can Cafe. You see, and I was like, yo, what is? But then it's for the hearing impaired, and it was such a good feeling to actually meet one of those persons from social media. And like I was asking him where does he work, and he was like he works at a coffee shop, and that's really cool. That's really cool. I'm happy that there's a company here that embraces like people with disabilities. Like, yo, it's really awesome. Really, really awesome. Yeah, so where we are right now is a restaurant called Debut. The setting in here is pretty decent. I hope the food is good because I'm a bit hungry. Yeah. I know you guys want to see what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Yeah. The lighting is bad for vloggers, you see me? But like if you come in here just to chill, yeah, it's a nice to go. Like, Gallis, Jesus. You get their number? How much did you get? So, unfortunately, the kitchen is supposed to be closed at 11. It's 10:30 and the kitchen locked.
They were like, before you order, we can only get juice.
Oh, it's like them not know say I got it.
No, yo, one thing I love about Montego Bay is the hip strip. Like the hip strip is like full of energy, it's full of vibes. But a lot better than Kingston, to be quite honest. Like I can't think of anywhere in Kingston that is like the hip strip. Oh, so we might be going to Blue Beats. I've always seen it advertised a couple years ago and I always wanted to go, so hopefully we'll be good. Surprise, surprise, Blue Beats is locked. I take that back. I don't like the hip strip. I'm joking, but
What else you did say when I consider?
I'm up for it. Yeah, Pelican. Yeah. Is that just around the corner?
Yeah. They're open.
Is it open now?
Alright, let me check.
Let's try.
Check. If they don't open, I guess they have to come back here.
Or we can just buy jerk chicken and bread. Alright guys, so we're coming to the Pelican. I'm not even going to be like all excited because I really don't know if this place is open. But but the good thing is that everything is in close proximity, to be quite honest. So I'm hoping we can get something. No, it locks. See that? It closed. I feel like a maga dog. Me think me find a plug, you know, cause we've been searching around. I'm here, so there's a conch. Somebody has sell a conch around there, so I'm fish and where is this? Where is this niceness? We need all the conch, brother. Look how the food look nice. Alright, we need conch. What? Steam conch? And what kind of fish you have? Steam fish? Give me both of them. Yeah, I need both of them. Hey, you got jerk chicken? Okay. Me and mash up this, you know. What's up? Jesus. This is what we call like the real street food, because like I'm literally walking on the street and I'm eating. Like I can't wait. They're about to get some jerk chicken, but I had to get some fish. When I start eating the conch, I'll video that and show you guys. But the fish is basic. It's a basic fish, you know, some conch, not conch, some okras, crackers. This is the first time I'm ever really having crackers soaked and steamed, and yo, it's really good. So I'm about to eat this, but I'm really more anticipating the conch. Feel me? Mobay, cock up. Alright, so we finally found the dining table. You don't gonna say, see me? Across some Burger King, but guess what? See the best part? Across some Margaritaville. And looking the water. You guys can't really see because the camera's not picking up the water. I can see the water though. So that's where we are. Taking in some food. Boss are having jerk chicken. I don't know, with some bread and mud something. I didn't get this because I had this last night, so I won't have it again. You see me? Fish. Hot them are just bare bones and I see skeletal. And Melika over there up on her phone. I don't know. So woman saying that them not really eating them, they just step on them phone. Cause the phone are them bread. Oh, sorry.
My light is so bright. You know I never vlog.
That's lighting though.
Lighting though.
Yo, she said it in the most vlogs. Alright guys, I'm gonna give you like my honest review on this. Like first of all, you guys know I don't like steamed fish. I'm not a fan of steamed fish, but I respect steamed fish because it's, you know, it keeps the fish in its very natural form, meaning healthy. Yeah, it's very healthy and the flavors get trapped into the meat. So as of recent, like I've been trying more steamed fish, and when I opened this fish, I asked him like what kind of fish was it. He didn't tell me what it was. I still don't know what kind of fish I just ate. I think it's not like the highest quality fish, but let me tell you this. Fam. That fish, yeah, let me tell you, everything about it, turn up. Texture, turn up. The crackers, them soak and nice up. The little vegetable, something them nice up. Remember,
Callaloo.
I give the callaloo on, yo, let me tell you, I give this steamed fish from the roadside type of thing
10 out of 10.
a 10 out of 10. 100% 10 out of 10. I had no problems with it at all. Now I'm going over to the main event, which is gonna be the conch. Thanks, Melika. So Melika did say a while ago, say, yo, we just sit down and it just feel like say we are friends. And I was thinking the same thing in my head. It just felt like somebody we know from a long time. So I guess we just have that kind of vibe, you see me? Anyway, I'll bust this and get it naked now. See what is inside, girl. Alright, so we have the conch, you see me?
So this is what's left of the jerk chicken.
Got the conch and we got the...
Even the fish, I'm trying conch.
Crime scene!
Trying conch right now. Matthew struggle with the chicken over there, so. So yeah guys, I mash up with food.
Alright.
But the only thing is, then if I get nothing to drink, so I did the curse.
So we got this conch here, like, remember that vlog where I told you that the conch was a bit rubbery? I don't know what kind of voodoo him work on that one, but it's I don't think conch hold flavor like that, but yeah, the texture is good. The texture is what it should be.
But it's alright, when we click for your vlog, your hair was not this high.
No.
It was like so low.
It grew. What I know with my hair thing, it depends on the kind of water. Like when I show at the gym, I get a... Let's listen to that conversation. We're gone.
And the conch thing pepper?
Anyway, that conch there a while ago, turn up. It was really good. Of course, because it had the same kind of flavor composition, it felt like the fish, but it was really, really good. Texture was good. Melika said it nice a while ago. Soft and things, so that's pretty much it. But anyway, I never really planned to even vlog or even talk to you guys or whatever. Like, yeah, so this is the end of the vlog. We're gonna be hanging a bit more. So remember these three things: love, nature, adaptation. I remember say Gaza. The money I say Gaza. So anytime you see me come a restaurant, fly do. I'm Melika. Yo, see?
I wanted them.
She on her phone. Gang, gang. Anyway guys, love, nature, adaptation. Remember to keep the link. Yo, I thought the vlog was gonna end here. I lied. So we had this weed bar. Well, that side is for marijuana. This side is for the juice, right? Natural juice, ital juice.
No.
Okay, like a regular bar. So we about to go in here and get lit. Yeah, outside, yeah. So, we're at this place called... Yeah, I'm going over there. Okay. So we're at this place called 2727 or whatever it's called. It's on the hip strip, as I said. It's pretty chill. Just gonna kick back here and drink a little bit, and then yeah, I'm gonna end the vlog here. I don't think I need to get into any more detail about what we're doing. And yeah, it's gonna be a good night. I'm not gonna get myself drunk, that's for sure. I got work in the morning.